Mommy. Where's the red car? What does the red car say? Oh my. Oh my goodness. What color is the car is that? What color car is that, Lucas? What color car? What is it? What color? Is it purple? No, it's not purple. Is it green?
No.
Is it? That's green. That's right. Is it?
Correct.
Car red. That's right. Red car. We say red car. Honey, can you take the necklace away from Mason? He shouldn't have that. I don't want him to put it in his mouth. Thank you.
No.
Thank you. Can you give him something else to play with, like that horsey right there? The horsey in front of you? Yeah. Can he have the horsey?
No.
Okay, you can give him the lamb. That's fine. Give him the lamb.
No.
He's gonna go get your airplane. Give him something else then, sweetie.